Well, for our next project, let's take a little listen here. Remember, it's a Jeep thing. Sounds delightful. Luckily, I do have... Oh, let me get that for you. Got a new throwout bearing here. We're gonna need it. Well, here we are underneath the Jeepster, and finally got this stuff all torn apart enough. It took about 4 hours, especially messing with the shifter, but I was able to slide the trans back far enough here that we can see that the throwout bearing is kind of popped off and looks destroyed. I haven't touched it yet. That's exactly how it was looking. Little spring has come off and bearing's just wasted. Here's a new one, so now I get to throw it all back together and hope she sounds good. Well, I don't know what happened to this thing, but look at the grooves in the side of that right here, where the spring is supposed to be clipped onto the clutch fork. Crazy. Both sides. I don't know what was happening there, if it was just shaking back and forth a million times over the last 15,000 miles or what. But that is pretty rough. Everything in here looks to be okay. I don't know what happened, but there's all the rest of the cage and bearings and the end off our old whatever this is, slave cylinder. Good stuff. Well, we're just fixing the world over here. Got it all back together. Sounds fantastic, the way it should. Other than a little exhaust leak, she's back in action. Yeah. Happy that's over. But just got the inspection done on it last week, and I'd have to say I'm probably ready to just sell that thing, get back into a Toyota. Jeep life's just not for me. Haven't been too happy with it the whole time I've owned it, a couple of years, so it's probably going to be the end of that saga. Another thing that's really been bothering me is this was always crooked. Could never turn flat. I'd received some negative comments on that, so just finally fixed that. A little grinder action. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Peace.